Jared Benner here.
Shit, this one's gonna be louder.
I know.
Damn, I'm actually kind of scared. I'm gonna... Oh! Holy crap!
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I could really use all of your help. I just got done deleting all the videos on my YouTube channel that had my ex-girlfriend in them. Because of me deleting all those videos, I lost between 2,000 and 3,000 views. So it would be a great help if you all could just watch a ton of my videos and help me get back those views that I lost. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor.